An arithmetic sequence is given by 66, that number, 44, 21, -2, blah, 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 blah. What equation could be used to find the nth term of the sequence? So this is an arithmetic sequence, and an arithmetic sequence looks like this. A sub n equals a sub 1, which is the first term, plus the common difference times n minus 1. Sometimes people put the common difference after the parentheses. You can put it in front of the parentheses. It's all good. Now what we need to do is identify what we can. Okay, you are my first term, a sub 1. Now what do I do to get from one number to the next? Well, it looks to me that to get from 67 to 44, you subtract 23. You're going to do that again, subtract 23. It's ugly looking 23, subtract 23. That would be my common difference. Leave n the way it is, leave a sub n the way it is. That gives us a sub n equals plus, not plus, it'll be minus 23 because positive, negative. So minus 23 times the quantity n minus 1. And that gives us b